When you have finished this topic, you should be able to do the following. Explain why it's important to type data correctly. Add data to a table. Use shorthand codes when entering data in a table. Add rows to a table. And select rows and columns in a table to format the content. When you're typing text into a table, or indeed any document, it's important to do so accurately. Mistakes can make your documents appear unprofessional, and even a small slip can be very misleading for your reader. For example, the correct order number here should be 2132843. But, as you can see, the last digit has been entered incorrectly. It's only a tiny mistake, but it means that another item might be purchased by accident. To avoid errors like this, you should pay close attention to what you're typing and always check your document carefully when you're finished. This bingo card is almost finished. We just need to complete the last row. The insertion point is already in the first cell, so to enter a number there, we just have to type it in. Then we need to move to the next empty cell. There are various ways of navigating around a table using either your mouse or your keyboard. To use your mouse, you simply click in the cell you want to type in. Please click in the next blank cell and then type 3. That's correct. You can also use your keyboard to move around a table, using the arrow keys to move up, left, down, or right. This can be quite slow if there's data already in the cells, as the insertion point moves between each character. A much quicker way to move between cells is by using the Tab key. This moves the insertion point straight to the next cell without going through every character. Let's try moving around the table using the Tab key. Please press the Tab key to move to the next cell now, and then type 9. That's correct. We've used a table here to keep a list of the books that have been contributed for a charity sale that we're holding. To update the list with the latest contributions, we need to add more rows to the table. The easiest way to add a row to a table is to place the insertion point in the last cell of the last row. And press the Tab key. Now you have a go. Please add another row to the bottom of this table. That's correct. Now we can enter 2 new books into the empty rows. It's very easy to edit information in a table. It's just the same as editing normal text. We need to make a change here, as Jenny has decided to do mechanical drawing instead of art, so her timetable needs to be updated. Mechanical drawing is on at the same time as art. So we just need to make 2 changes. First, we'll select the word we want to type over. Remember that you can select a whole word by double-clicking it. Now we'll type MECD for mechanical drawing. Now you have a go. Please double-click the second instance of art and change it to MECD. That's correct. If you don't want to change all of the contents of a cell, you can just select the part you want to change and type over it or delete it. We've created this table to show the results of a table quiz that we held. To make the data easier to read, we can change the format of the text and numbers. Let's do this for the headings in this table. We could change the formatting in each cell individually, but it's quicker to select the entire row and then make the changes. To do this, you move your pointer to just outside the left border of the row, and when it changes to a white arrow, you can click once to select the row. Now that the row is selected, we'll format the headings by making the text bold and 14-point. Now let's change the color of the headings in the first column to blue. First, therefore, we want to select the whole column. To do this, you move the pointer over the top of the column. When it changes to a down-pointing arrow, you click once to select the column. Now we can format our selected column.